Thutha wa gucokereria bururi-ini kuma icera-INI bururi-ini wa Amerika, President William Ruto niangetheire ndereti igie mbeca iria ciahuthikire gukombora ndege iria ahuthirire thabari-ini iyo kugerera rurenda rwake rwa X, na kiuga thogora wayo wari munini ukiringithanio na mbeca iria ingiahuthikire korwo athire na ndege ya Kenya Airways. Ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ yake igongona-inĩ rĩa kũhoera bũrũri, President Ruto niateanĩirie mũhuhu ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩtambio ũgĩtuĩka ndege ĩrĩa ahũthĩrire yakomborirwo na ciringi mirioni 200.
And there was, all manner of figures, this plane is this big and it is like this, Google here, Google there. This one must have costed 200 million. Because the president needed to arrive in style in the US, holding Rachel's hand. I am a very responsible steward. Believe you me.
Ruto ugite mbeca iria ciahuthikire ciari ciringi mirioni 10 agikinyiriria gutire hingo angihuthira ciringi mirioni 200 indi nowe urahinyiriria no nginya bururi unyihie mahuthiro.
There is no way I can spend 200 million. There is no way. In fact, let me disclose here that it costed the Republic of Kenya less than 10 million.
Hamwe noguo Ruto no atariirie marihi ma ndege iyo marugamirirwo ni aratake aria atanagweta thutha wa kumenya ndege iria yaraithi makiria ya Kenya Airways ingiahuthirire ciringi mirioni 70. Itua ria president ria gutetera makiria ari thutha wa amwe ya atongoria mwena wa mung'ethaniro kumuria anirire mbeca iria ingiahuthikire korwo athire na Kenya Airways.
We have built friends. Some friends told me, how much do you want to pay? I said, I'm not ready to pay more than 20 million. They said, bring 10 million, we will give you the plane. Look at me, Kenyans. Look at me again. I must lead from the front as I tell others. So relax, And the debate must end because I am that responsible.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni eriga kuria honge cia thirikari inyihie mahuthiro ma budget na gicunje kia 30 riu agicitogerie ni kwaga kugonderera hari kuhingia aritana riri.
I was pleasantly surprised that each and every parastatal was willing to contribute to making sure that we live within our means, and each one of them went back and they have submitted their reports and they have actually reduced their recurrent budgets by 30%.
Na niguo kunyihia mahuthiro thirikari-ini makiria, Ruto no ugite wabici yake ya munini wake Rigathi Gachagua hamwe na ya minister munene Musalia Mudavadi itigucairirwo hari kunyihirio mahuthiro ma budget akimoria magathe mishifi.
And I promise you that as a steward that I have the privilege to be, we will act responsibly and we will manage the affairs of the country with integrity.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.